Welcome to Pioneer Park Elementary School. This summer we're excited because we are under construction here at Pioneer Park Elementary School. Right now we're working on our main hallway, our office, our media center, our cafeteria, where we've had new tile put in the media center and cafeteria. The classrooms are having new lighting put in for us. New restrooms are being put in. We're fortunate as a school to have a restroom in every single one of our classrooms, so that is being worked on. We will be having new furniture in our buildings. The parking lot is being redone, as well as the parking lot lighting. Also to come here at Pioneer Park, we will be getting our air handler units will be coming in to help keep us nice and cool, as well as a new generator.